Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DirectAdmin on your VPS easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser of choice. In the address bar, type the IP address of your VPS, followed by a colon and the port number 2222. It should look something like this, 192.168.1.1:2222. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. This action will take you to the DirectAdmin login page. Once the page loads, you'll see fields for your username and password. Locate your username and password. If you haven't changed these, they are provided by your VPS hosting provider. Enter your username into the designated field. Next, enter your password in the password field. Make sure to enter the password accurately, as it is case sensitive. After filling in both fields, look for the Login button on the page. Click the Login button to proceed. Wait a moment while the system processes your credentials. If your login is successful, you will be redirected to the DirectAdmin dashboard. If you encounter an error, double-check the username and password you entered. If necessary, refer to your VPS hosting provider for assistance in retrieving or resetting your credentials. Once logged in, you can now manage your websites and services through the DirectAdmin interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.